This is the circle calculator for area, circumference, and diameter. It solves for all circle properties when you know just one measurement. The calculator has a unit system drop-down menu with two options: metric, which uses millimeters, centimeters, and meters, or imperial, which uses inches and feet. For this demonstration, I'm using metric. Below that are three input fields: radius with a placeholder, enter radius; diameter with a placeholder, enter diameter; and area with a placeholder, enter area. You only need to fill in one of these fields, then click the Calculate Circle Properties button. Let's work through an example. I'll enter 10 in the area field, leaving radius and diameter empty. After clicking Calculate Circle Properties, here are our results. The radius equals 1.7841 millimeters. The diameter equals 3.5682 millimeters. The area confirms our input at 10,000 square millimeters, and the circumference equals 11.22100 millimeters. So from just knowing the area is 10 square millimeters, the calculator determined that this circle has a radius of about 1.78 millimeters, a diameter of about 3.57 millimeters, and a circumference of about 11.21 millimeters. This tool saves time on repetitive circle calculations in your engineering projects. Find the link in the description below.